You'll miss the dip. Silver dealer's fed up. My local dealer has come clean and he gave it to me straight. This is what silver stackers are missing. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this contest. Click that link. It's a lot of fun. It's free. Don't miss it. Everyone's waiting for their buy price, and presently silver is inching up and inching up. We're going to be at, before we even blink our eyes, we're going to be at $35 an ounce. And what's happened is that many of us, I include myself in this, we're thinking that silver is going to dip down to our buy price. My buy price, I'll tell you, it was $28, and I missed it. What, about 7-8 days ago? Silver did dip down to my buy price. It happened on a Sunday night when the Asian markets opened. It dipped down to $28. I was not looking because at the time I was unaware to even log in and check out spot price on a Sunday night. If you don't know about this, you got to check spot price on Sunday evenings, because here in the States, Sunday evenings, because that's when the Asian markets open, and that's when you really you could jump in on a price where most people don't even know what's happening. So I missed that. But really, this is what my dealer is telling me is this $28 spot price, $27. Some people are even waiting for lower than that in the 20s. It's not happening. We have too much momentum for silver. There's uncertainty to the 10th degree. And whenever there's uncertainty in economics, uncertainty in geopolitical issues, everything that we have going on, all that uncertainty makes people move into metals. They put their funds into precious metals. That's the momentum we are living in right now. And that's why gold is, at the time of this recording, we're like 3,300 an ounce. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Silver moving up just like it should be, following gold, moving up. And it's not, generic silver is not like, let me see if I have an eagle here. This is a proof eagle. But generic silver is not like eagles, where the American Silver Eagle market, just a year ago, 2 years ago, we had those premiums that are, what, $14, $15 over spot, and people were still stacking, still paying for those premiums. That's not how generic silver works. And oh, by the way, this proof eagle, what are you kidding me? This was like $30, $40 over spot. I don't buy them anymore. I still happen to have it. I stick with generic. Generic silver just follows spot, and because it's just following spot, you're really in a safer place. And I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just telling you how silver works in your favor as a silver stacker. It's and this is what my dealer is trying to explain to me. When we have a wide margin like we have presently for silver, the silver to gold ratio, we're presently at like what, 101 to 1. 101 of these ounces. You need 101 ounces of this silver to get you 1 ounce of gold. You're supposed to do what dealers do. You're supposed to swap your gold. You take an ounce of gold, you swap it, and you get 101 of these ounces without paying that $2 premium on each. Without paying, what am I talking about? On top of the $2 premium that you typically pay, the $2 in taxes. For each ounce. That's typically what you and I pay for each. So that's what dealers do. That's why they're able to have this business where they get silver really at a very cheap price, and then they sell it to us. That's how they do it. So we should be acting like they should be acting. And really, when silver breaks $35, this is what my dealer is explaining to me, and it's really, I absolutely agree. When silver breaks 35 and then moves on to $40 an ounce, your buy price is going to be right where we are now. That's how silver works. If you've been stacking silver for 5 years, 7 years, then you know that's the experience of the silver stacker. Whatever your buy price is, it keeps going up. Your buy price keeps adjusting because silver keeps going up. That's the beauty of it. That's why we stack it. So if your buy price is presently $28, guess what? As 2025 rolls out and this metal goes up to 35, 36, 37, your buy price all of a sudden in your mind is going to change to 32, 33. That's where we are. That's the point. That's where we are now. This is the dip. This is what my dealer's trying to explain to me. Stackers need to understand when they're in the dip, and we're in the dip right now because we're experiencing the upswing is just starting, right? And that's what you need to understand. You need to know when you're in an upswing. So when you see it that way, when you know that that's happening, you understand where the dip is, and you understand when you should be making a move. Click that link in the description. Get in on that contest from Money Metals, 20 American Silver Eagles. They're giving it away. Every month they're giving away those 20 Eagles. It's a lot of fun. Click that link, and I'll see you on the next one.